Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai fi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam dagasni. Ka Sorkar jila kala Pyrkhing ya ka jingwan ra ba ka jingpenan kami ka Sboh Dawai kat ba kadang pensluri Nongrep ban Phai ya ka Sboh Mariang haki kamrep kamriang. Ya kani la pentip umentri rangba ukon rat kisang ma haba jubab ben ram ya umentri katnat rap karyang halor ka jingkeli balawan ra da UMLA ka Nongrep uba arjan mila basa yomon hagador bar sunrai menta kasngi. Ukon rat ulaong ba ka Sorkar kala Pyrkhing ya ka jingwan ra ka Sboh Dawai na syabar ka jilla. Bar kadang ai jing pensluri ki Nongrep ban pendon kamno da ka Sboh Mariang ula pen pauru ya ka jingkermen basyan ka Meghalaya kanwan ha ka kerdan ka baningkong ha gari ha ka jing pendon kam ya ka Sboh Mariang ha ki jakarem. Ha ka biyadai ba ka dor jong ka Sboh la pentip ba ka Sorkar ka ai jing yarap saus pa tingka na ka dor si hajar ars pa tingka jong ka Sboh SSP ba ki Nongrep ki thin. Kat ba ka dor jong ka Yuria hayo ka long ars pa andru pendru tingka ka jingdi ka Sboh Dawai ka syak tang haki katu kat ni ki jaka hapo ka jila. Shua gani umentri ka tunat rap karyang u Timothy di shirau la pentip baki officer katunat ki julet jurip man kapor ki dukan di Sboh Dawai ban pet baga jingdi kan longkat kumki kendon ula Kyntu ki Nongrep balada kilap ki nong di ki basyimtam ya kador balabu ki de ban ujor sya katunat khnang bakan na ban shim ki senjam ki batay. Umentri la pentip ru bagi dan hendrip ngut ki nong di Sboh Dawai bala itu da ke Sorkar jila.
Question number 108A. Sir, the steps taken to check the unreasonable increase rate of fertilizer are: the sale of fertilizers has been restricted to the minimum retail price MRP notified by the government. The Fertilizer Control Order 1985 has been strictly enforced to regulate distribution. Third, sir, weekly inspections are being conducted by fertilizer inspectors to check the sale of fertilizer. 4, display of MRP and daily stock has been made mandatory at all shell outlets. 5, all shells are being routed through point of sale POS machine linked to the IFMS portal. The 6th framework for fertilizer shell PPSF has been launched in the Dawai and East Kashmir district with effect from 7/07/2026. B, sir, the steps taken to protect the farmers from the market exploitations are: number 1, fertilizers are sold only through licensed dealers at notified page with cash memo issued for every sale and stock and price display daily. Second, Microfed supplier supplies retailers only against order issued by the district agriculture officer. 3, tagging has been prohibited and farmers cannot force to purchase seed, pesticide or micronutrients along with fertilizer. 4, regular and surprise inspections are conducted to ensure compliance. 5, farmers are being made aware of their rights through awareness campaign. 6, grievances redressal mechanism has been put in place to the district agriculture office. The 30 Ma Bachao Nigrani Samiti, Shyam Connect and Kisan Helpline Center.
Your supplementary, please.
Sir, let me thank the Honorable Minister for his elaborative reply. Sir, as we all know that farmers do not only toil and sweat in the fields, but they also face many uncertainties. They are not sure if they will get enough fertilizer, if the weather will do them a favor, or if they will get a good price for the produce. So, sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, because in the course of his reply, he mentioned that the sale of fertilizers has been restricted to the maximum retail price notified by the government. So my first question to you, sir, is what is the current maximum retail price and the current subsidized price, sir? Let me, sir, be specific. I want to know the current maximum retail price and current subsidized price of this single superphosphate.
May I know from the honorable member, for which districts you want the current price?
So I'm not asking for the district. I'm asking the maximum retail price.
Because
and
the price,
I think it has to be
price-
made applicable in all the states, sir. The rate has to be the same, I think.
Yeah, because the price varies according to the from district to another district. So
Okay,
I
so
can,
in that case, in
I
that
can
case,
tell you
if-
now the existing rate for Shillong is 5,136 per metric ton, and subsidized rate is 4,061 rupees. Retail price 5,860. Then subsidized rate this per bag is 266 rupees
per bag.
per bag. Yeah.
So, because I had come across one incidents where the price has been mentioned in a bag, that the subsidized rate is more than 360, whereas the farmer has to buy at 900 rupees per bag. This is the current situation where farmers are buying 900. So in that case, what steps has been taken? Recently, the farmers are buying this specific fertilizer at a rate of 900, sir.
Would you address the chair, please?
Oh yes, sorry, sir.
Sir, I have already replied. The steps taken to protect the farmers from market exploitation. The fertilizers are sold only there are these fertilizer inspectors. They very often they go to the retailers and they check the price, and all the retailers are mandatory to display the present rate, and beyond which they are not allowed to sell. So they have to sell at a rate fixed by the government. That is very, very mandatory for each retailer. Perhaps the one you have, maybe it is through the black marketing, the price they have charged, but there is no such scope for black marketing also, because every now and then the fertilizer inspector, they go and check. There are numbers of fertilizer inspectors altogether in the whole state. 109 inspectors are there. 129 numbers of inspectors are there. So plenty of inspectors are there. They are very regular in checking. They go to every retailer, and so there is no such. And moreover, when they sell the fertilizer, it is mandatory that they should upload in the integrated fertilizers management system also. So this can be tracked. If any 1 kg or 2 kg or even 1 bag is sold in the black market, that can be traced.
So why I bring, because I was asked by the farmers to specifically ask this question in the assembly, because this is the rate that farmers are buying this fertilizer. So I've seen the reply. Looking by the reply, it seems that everything is in order. But the farmers are facing this problem. So what will be the measure that the government will take in the wake of this issue, sir?
So I'll just one clarification I want to give, sir, because I think there was a small communication gap. Honorable Minister had replied 266. So that is for urea. Honorable Member had asked for SSP. So that's a different, that's a single super phosphate. So the urea price per bag is 266 and the SSP rate is 800 rupees per bag. And the honorable member just mentioned that was 900 rupees in the market. So there could be black market rates going on because these are all controlled products. That means there are certain sanctions and certain release that is given by Government of India for our state through IFCO. So therefore, since it's a controlled quantity with a specific controlled price, there are situations where certain individuals may try to take advantage. But as mentioned by Honorable Minister, that continuous checking is done, continuous monitoring is done. Wherever we find that there is any kind of black market activities, action is taken, sir. But as I said, I wanted to clarify that it is 800 and 900. Honorable Minister was referring to urea, which is 266. So there's a difference of 100 rupees was there.
Sir,
Speaker, sir, I apologize for my mistake.
it's okay, no problem, sir. You need not to apologize, it's okay, sir. Sir, in that case, may I know whether that 800 is a maximum retail price or a subsidized price, sir?
Speaker, sir, that is a subsidized rate. Subsidized rate.
So, may I know what is the maximum retail price? Market.
So the subsidy that we provide is 25% for SSP. So if it's 800, sir, it's about 1200 is the price.
So another question I would like to know from the Honorable Minister. What measures will the government take in case they find out that the retailers or the suppliers, I mean to say that the wholesalers, they are hoarding the fertilizers? What steps will be taken in case of the hoarding of fertilizers?
Speaker, sir, the action will be taken according to the law. The law will take its own course. If anybody is found black marketing or selling the fertilizer beyond the price fixed by the government, he is punishable.
So I think what I want to ask because we know that how they exploit the farmers, the wholesaler, the supplier, they always hoard the fertilizer. So whether the government used to conduct any surprise check to detect hoardings of fertilizer?
Yes, sir, I have already replied that there are many fertilizer inspectors. They regularly check. They go to the retailer shop and they check, and from the portal also they can check. So a regular checking is there. If there is any retailer who is selling beyond the price fixed by the government, their helpline is there. The CM Connect is also there. So I would like to advise all the farmers that they should, through CM Connect, they can complain, they can get their grievances redressed. And it will be better for the government agents also or inspector to take the legal actions against those who are selling beyond the price fixed by the government.
So what I mean to ask is, besides the regular checking, which is a normal duty of the department, so whether the department used to conduct any surprise check to detect the hoarding of the fertilizer? That is my question, sir. Any surprise check, like if there is, how many times this surprise check has been carried out?
Speaker, sir, Director of Agriculture, Director of Horticulture themselves, they are the inspectors. So they can check. In addition to the other inspectors below their rank, this Director of Agriculture and Director of Horticulture, they can go. They can do the random checking, and they can detect any, if they detect any illegal selling, then they can bring it to the notice of the government and they can take the legal action.
Sir, I'll just supplement to the Honorable Minister's answer. So yes, surprise checks are done, number one. Number two, approximately 1,432 such surprise checks have been done, 1,432. And if anybody is found to be doing anything that is not as per the rules, their license is bound to be cancelled.
Yes, Dr. Mijang, yes, raise these hands first.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. The Honourable Minister, during his course of reply, A3, that weekly inspections are being conducted by fertilizer inspectors to check the sale of fertilizer. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge that how many fertilizer inspectors are posted under the Datangiri subdivision and how many such checks were done during the year 2025-26?
Speaker, sir, that figure I don't have with me now, so I record notice.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the Honourable Minister in charge, sir, to table it on the floor of the House, please? My next supplementary would be, may I know from the Honourable Minister, sir, that there are how many authorized fertilizer sale points under the Datangiri subdivision?
It will be under West Garo Hills. 3. The retailers, number of retailers, 3 means the sell point will be 3.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as you all know, the entire district of West Garo Hills is based on agriculture. So, is it enough that only 3 retailers can supplement the need of the entire area? And if not, then what are the steps taken to make the fertilizers available to the farmers?
Speaker, sir, I expect the honourable members know that the consumption